Do not throw used soap in the trash. Follow this recipe and you will be able to reuse all those old soaps you have. Let's start by cutting all the old soaps into a container. We will do it with the help of scissors. Let me know from which country or city you are watching this video, so I can send a big hug next time. Today I'm going to use these 4 soaps. You can use any soap you have left over, as long as it's the one you use in the shower every day. Once cut, place the soaps in a saucepan. This way we can melt all the soap and make it go much further. Then add 200 grams of sugar. Also add a liter of water. That's the perfect amount for this recipe. Now we are going to mix it over medium heat until all the soap melts. I always make this recipe when I have very dirty pans or those that need shining. Many people don't know this recipe. Make it at home and you surely won't regret it. Doing this trick is very simple. In a few minutes, you will have a super powerful cleaning product. Once melted, we will place it in a container with a lid. Remember to use a clean container for this recipe. Now we cover the container and let it rest for approximately 3 hours. After that time, be ready to be used. Here I will use a sponge to clean the pans. It is simple to use and very efficient. People who visit my house always ask me how I keep the pans as if I had just bought them. Few people know this recipe, and it is very good because you use old soap that would be wasted. Another positive point is that this recipe makes a lot. It lasts me approximately 2 weeks. Now I'm going to remove the excess soap with water. You will see the difference it makes. The best part about this recipe is that instead of throwing the soap in the trash, you can reuse it to make an amazing cleaning product. Remember to tell me from which city or country you are watching this, so I send you a big hug in the next video. A hug to Ram from France and another to Fernando from the United States. Thank you for watching and sharing our videos.